Here's the Harris Post Office. And we got different things here. So, not much else to see in town. So that's the post office. Well, I'm back in my room now. I went out for a walk here in the Isle of Harris. I guess this is Herbert East Town. I'm not sure, but not much to see. Just wanted to walk around the block. Sun was out a little bit earlier. Now some dark clouds rolling in, and it's starting to get misty, and I didn't have my raincoats or my waterproof jacket on. Just had this jacket. So there's the outside there, and you can see some misty clouds passing, and there was nothing to see here really. I saw the post office, got a vid of that, and just around the block, and the ferry is down the street about a short walk where we have to meet, and cars are already lining up for the ferry here. So probably next thing will be on the ferry, I guess. Okay, Ed Getley signing off. Bye bye here in my room. Okay, see you later. Bye. Ferry terminal for Talbert, which we're going into now, and going into the terminal. Well, here's a map here. Here's Inverness, where we started out, and then we went somewhere up by Ullapool, Loch Inver, up in this area, and we came back, and we went from here onto the ferry to Stornoway, and we drove down here. We visited different things here, drove down here, went to Talbert, and then from here we went on a boat ride out to the Shant Islands, which is right here, and we came back, and today we're taking the ferry down to Oog, and then from Oog we're going to somehow go across a bridge here and work our way back to Inverness tonight. So that's where we are at. Okay. We got some motorcycle group over there having the pictures taken before they get onto the ferry. And over in the harbor you can see SY-212, the blue boat that we took on our cruise yesterday. And this is the ferry ramp, and the ferry's due in here momentarily. And you can see the ferry coming in the distance. It's going to dock right up there. The ferry, it's already come in, and we're going to walk down here, and it still has to come in to dock with the landing area here. But see, it's got the front open. Got about a few feet under the water there, so there's no waves splashing in there. And they're going to tie it up and I think rope it in to the terminal here. Yeah, there you can see it's being winched in. There's a winch on the ship up there. Going to winch it into the terminal, and you'll see that guy docking it. It's pretty neat how the front part of the ship opens up right into the terminal here. guess they do this a number of times each day. And it's moving kind of slow as well, but it should be, because you don't want to go ramming in there. And I wonder how all this works when there's a storm and if there's waves, but this is a pretty secluded area, so I guess it's not too bad. But I guess the water's kind of deep right there. We're right close to the shore, as you can see. And still coming in there. And this is the Hebrides ship. And it's still inching toward there. It's got a couple more feet to go. Looks like it kind of pretty much stopped right there. So I presume that they're probably going to raise the other platform up a little higher. Although I don't see any operators there, but they might show up eventually. So I'm going to turn this off to save the battery. Yeah, here's the ramp that's coming out from the ship that's going to blend in with the dock here. So they're going to match that up because the dock doesn't move. The dock is pretty stationary there. So, and then once they lower that, they'll get all the traffic off. And then once all of the cars are off, the cars are lined up to the right, and they'll all start moving on. And when it docks at the other place, it'll dock back end in because the cars will all be facing the opposite way. Although, yeah, this looks like the front end here. And everything operates in slow motion here. So we'll wait till it gets lined up. Okay, looks like the ramp is in place. Once they get everything locked down, and they got the gates open on the other end for the cars to exit, there they go, they're off. There's the first one out. He's taking his easy old time here because he wants to be careful. They got a motorcycle. And I don't know if those are the Bloods or the Crips, but could be either one. And we got a camper van with some surfboards. And it's like an older van there. And you got your regular transit vans and all the other type stuff with the bikes on there. So, okay, well, getting on board the ferry, you have to go up the ramp to get on board. So that's where we're heading, right up the ramp here.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Edmondson. I'm the on-board services manager today. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome aboard MV Hebrides. For your information, the Mariners Cafeteria on deck 4 is open, serving a selection of hot meals, hot and cold snacks, sandwiches, teas, coffees and other refreshments. On special today we have a baked salmon and leek tarragon sauce, served with a choice of potatoes and fresh veg for $8.99. The coffee cabinet at the after end of deck 4 is also open now for freshly ground coffee and tea, along with local beers, wines and spirits.
Turning around, we're coming into the dock. We have to turn around the ship and we have to go back in. It's very windy right here. That's why I'm kind of screaming. So, okay, turn this way here, but there's the shoreline. We gotta go down to our bus. Bye bye. Starting to come off the ferry now. It's going into alternating traffic here. So as we come back out, we're going to let the bus go here. So,
well, of course, it is a very important day because it's not just the day that we go to Skye, but it's, of course, it's Ed's birthday. So here's Ed's birthday card. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to